I think there comes a point where we have to realize and take into consideration that the progress we want to see is dependent on how much work we put in. And I'm not saying that like you just have to get up in the morning and suddenly decide today is going to be the day. That can't happen. That's not realistic. But we have to be able to find a way to establish the habits that can get us to where we need to be. Right? So when it comes to like doing things that relate to back pain, you can't just get up and say, well, I'm going to go do a couple of sessions and then everything's going to be fine. That's not how it works at all. You have to be able to commit yourself to actually wanting to get better. And I think that translates even to our own personal lives. The way we establish our habits will definitely determine our future. So get this, you take the time to just start putting in the work day in, day out. You say, you know what, I'm going to get up in the morning and for 5 minutes, I'm just going to do some stretching. Or for 10 minutes, I'm just going to go do something. Or I'm going to break up my exercises so that in the morning, I'll do maybe 10 minutes of it. And then after work, I'll do another 10 minutes. Whatever it takes to actually get yourself into that normal daily rhythm. That's how we get better. That's how we actually get the results that we want.